What is up guys, this is Natax and welcome to my first real video. And today we're going to clean a mechanical keyboard. The first thing we're going to do is just remove all the keycaps, like this. When you've done this, just take a moment and look how fucking dirty your keyboard is. It's disgusting. Now just take a toothbrush and go ham at the keyboard. And now, depending on how dirty your keyboard is, you might have to use something like this. I used just wet toilet paper. This will yield you an even better result when you're done. And now it's time to wash the keycaps. You can skip this step if it's not needed. I actually used a plastic bag which I cut some holes in the bottom, and then I just rinsed them under the tap with some warm water. Time to reapply the keycaps. Magic! And we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped you, please take some time to like the video and subscribe to my channel. It will help me out a lot. Thanks.